everyone. In this video we'll set up the Piral feed service as a droplet on DigitalOcean. For this, we already created a project on DigitalOcean. For the data storage, we'll reuse a managed data service from another cloud provider. Now we only need to add a new droplet to the project. We should select a region that's close to our customers. As CPU, we select a configuration that provides the resources for the scaling behavior that we desire. The smallest instance is already good enough for most development needs. While you can connect to your droplet via a password, it's much better to create an SSH key. This way, only the public key would need to be shared with the service. For our demo, we'll stick with a simple password. Make sure to fulfill the requirements as specified. Now click on Create Droplet to finish the setup of your new DigitalOcean Droplet. Once the droplet has been created, we can access it via the SSH channel. In this demo, we'll make use of the provided web console, even though a direct terminal access would be more convenient and powerful. In the access area of your droplet, click on Launch Droplet Console to open another browser window showing the console. First, make sure that Docker is installed. Presumably, it is not. To install Docker, you can use the snap install command on an Ubuntu operating system. The installation of the Docker daemon might take a bit. Once the command line tool is installed, you can use it to log in, acquire the image of the Piral feed service and run it. Log in to the Piral container registry with the Docker login command. Make sure to use your individual username and password information. This information should not be shared. Next, pull the image with the tag that you want to use. The command is called docker pull followed by the fully qualified image and tag name. In this demo, we'll use the latest tag, which is also the recommended version to use of the Piral feed service. Once pulled, you can use the docker run command to start the image. By supplying the -p flag, you can map the image internal port such as port 9000 to some port on the droplet. In our demo, we map the internal port to the same port on the host machine, making it public. The -d flag detaches the docker command line utility from the image, essentially running the image in the background. Once you confirm that everything is running and available on the internet, it's time to finish the configuration of the image. For this, we created a new file called Piral.env, which contains a set of environment variables to use inside the Docker image. Once everything is configured, we can run the image again, this time supplying the -env file option pointing to the Piral.env file. Now it's time to see if the service is up and running. If everything looks fine, we can create a new feed to test it. On the dashboard view, click on Create New Feed and enter some details. Hit the Review and Create button followed by the Create button to finish adding the new feed. Congratulations, you've just set up the Piral feed service running as a droplet on DigitalOcean.